SDG for Quality Education. Study hard. Yeah. So, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and anong oras? Anong oras? Kapag sinabing inter-individual level, pinag-uusapan natin ang pagkakaiba ng traits. So, yun. 5 lahat yun. Tek, nakakita ako paano is ma-report namin yung topic namin. Ang haba na 21 sa Santa Didaka. Traffic composition. Nod is intra-individual level. Pinto, isnado mo. Is unique personality structure.